Our tournament is now created and many players have already registered. Now it's time to manage the tournament and watch everything come together. Let's open our tournament. First, we see the registration management section. Here, admins can also register teams manually. Let's add one more team. For player 1, we open the dropdown and select a player. Next, we choose a partner from the partner dropdown. Now let's assign this team to group 2. Finally, we update the payment status. Let's select paid. Everything looks good. Now we simply click the add button. And within a few seconds, the team is successfully added to the tournament. One important thing to remember, teams whose payment status is not marked as paid cannot be assigned to a group. As soon as the payment status is changed to paid, the group selection becomes available. As teams are assigned, they instantly appear in the team's ranking by group section, under their respective groups. Once all groups contain valid teams, the Generate Matches button in the Group Stage Matches section becomes active. Let's click Generate Matches. And just like that, Smashlytics automatically generates every group stage match along with the complete knockout bracket. No manual scheduling or pairing is required. For the first match, let's enter court number 3. Now, let's enter 21 for Team 1 and 17 for Team 2. Then, click Save. Perfect. Let's continue entering the remaining group stage matches by selecting the court number, entering the scores, and clicking Save for each match. As every result is saved, the standings update automatically and the qualifying teams advance to the knockout stage. Now let's move to the quarterfinals. For the first quarterfinal match, let's enter court number 2, then enter 21 for Team 1 and 18 for Team 2. Now, click Save. Immediately, the winning team advances to the semifinals. Next, let's complete the semifinal. Since this round is configured as best of 3 sets, we first enter court number 5. Now, let's enter the set scores: 21-16 for set 1, 18-21 for set 2, and 21-19 for set 3. Everything looks perfect. Now, click Save. And the winning team automatically advances to the finals. Now it's time for the championship match. Let's enter court number 1. Then enter the scores for all 3 sets: 21-16, 19-21, and 21-14. Now, click Save. And just like that, the tournament is complete. The champions are automatically awarded the gold medal, while the runners-up receive the silver medal. We also have a dedicated third-place match. Simply enter the court number, the match scores, and click Save. The winning team is automatically awarded the bronze medal. Even better, every gold, silver, and bronze medal earned is instantly reflected in the leaderboard, making it easy to track player and team achievements across every tournament. From team registration and automatic match generation to knockout progression, live scoring, and medal tracking, Smashlytics makes tournament management simple, organized, and effortless from start to finish.